Welcome back. I'm Professor Steele, and today we are going to analyze our sine and cosine functions. So let's look at them on Desmos.
Here we have our cosine function, and if you notice, our cosine function is periodic in nature, as we've been discussing. We have our midline. Recall that our midline cuts a function in half horizontally. Our midline is the line y equals 0, or in this case, cosine theta equals 0. Our amplitude is how far we fluctuate from the midline to the highest point or to the lowest point. And you'll notice that that value happens to be 1 based on the function that we have created from our unit circle. Our period is how long it takes for it to repeat. And if you notice, it is exactly 2 pi radians, since we have our graph using radians, not degrees. Our frequency, recall, is the reciprocal of our period, so that equates to 1 over 2 pi. And that tells us what portion of our function we see in 1 unit of time. The vertical intercept is right here, located at 0, 1, and we have a couple of horizontal intercepts. We have one occurring at pi over 2, and the second one at 3 pi over 2. Again, recalling when cosine of theta is equal to 0, that occurs when the angle measurement is pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Obviously, these intercepts keep occurring at every 2 pi intervals, since that is our period, but we are capturing just the ones in the first revolution of our circle. We can analyze our sine graph similarly, and you'll notice that we have similar features with our midline being the line, this time sine of theta equals 0. Our amplitude similar to the cosine function, how much we fluctuate from the midline, which is 1. Our period, again, occurring every 2 pi units. Our frequency, again, 1 over 2 pi units. This time, our vertical intercept happens to be 0, 0. And our horizontal intercept, now think about this, is when our sine of theta equals 0, which occurs at 0 degrees and at pi degrees, at 2 pi degrees, and so on, every 2 pi units. And those are the features of our cosine and sine function.
Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to EdVantage, and we'll see you next time.